London. May Allah Almighty accept it from us and grant us true forgiveness during this beautiful month of Ramadan. May Allah make us utilize the rest of the days of Ramadan and the nights in a way that we still achieve His forgiveness and we achieve the taqwa, which is the main objective of this month of Ramadan. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان. In Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah describes the month of Ramadan as being the month in which the Quran was revealed. It was easy for him to say Shahru Ramadan is the month of fasting. And in the verse before that, he did say, O you who believe, fasting has been prescribed upon you just like it was upon those before you. Let's read the verse. يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. He mentions the reason of the fast is to become more conscious of Allah, who your maker is, where you were before you were made, where you are right now, and where you will go. Allah wants you to ponder over it. Allah wants you to develop yourself, your connection with Him, your respect for all the others whom He created. That's Allah. So He says, لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, in order that you achieve taqwa. Taqwa can be translated as the consciousness of Allah, the fear of Allah, the piety also known as taqwa, the connection with Allah, creating a barrier between you and the punishment of Allah. All of these are part of the word and the term taqwa. Allah says when you fast correctly, the idea is to help you achieve that taqwa. So become conscious of Allah, think and ponder. Don't just stay hungry through the day and you haven't even read your 5 salah. Don't just stay hungry through the day and you have not disciplined yourself.